Hello and welcome back. Now in this video we are going to download Docker from official repository and then we are going to install this. This method will provide us always latest version and the new features related to Docker. If you are going to set up Docker environment for production, it is always good idea to go with this method because here you are going to get latest version and all the latest features. So let's start installation of Docker using official Docker repository. So here we are going to do this, but again we need to create one virtual machine. We have one virtual machine over here. We used this in a previous video, and as you know that here we have this version of Docker which is 26.1.3. Right now we are going to create all new virtual machine and then we are going to install Docker, and we want to verify that which version we are going to get over here. So going back to the AWS environment, here I have one Docker host which is running. I'm going to create new Docker host as well. So let's give name Docker host new. As you know that we are going to create Ubuntu machine, and I'm going to choose T2 micro because it is free, so you can use it anytime. Here I'm going to use my key. We don't need to touch any settings here, so let's go with the launch. So yeah, it is launching my EC2 instance. Once it is going to launch my EC2 instance, we are going to access this same way as we have accessed our previous one. So I'm going to open command prompt, going to the download folder. Sorry, I just opened PowerShell. Yeah. CD downloads, SSH, there's I. My key is Gen 2025, Ubuntu. And here I have to copy IP. Yes, I got this new one, Docker host new. Look at the name. And here it is IP address. I'm going to paste it. And I got access. Right? So now we are going to start procedure. As always, the Linux procedure is to update your system first. As I have downloaded or create a new Linux machine, I have to update this as well. So let's use this command. Sudo apt update. Now it is going to update your repository. Install packages to allow apt to use repository over HTTPS, right? Because Docker repository is HTTPS, so we have to install this package so we can download files from HTTPS registries. So right now it is actually updating. Now we are going to run this command. Now see, if you want to know that from how I am getting this command, the simple is you can go to the Docker website. There is official document and they are actually providing all this command. So that is like nothing a new rocket science kind of thing. You will get all the documentation that how you can install Docker from the Docker registry, right? And this is available in official document. Now here we have to download one GPG key that I am going to download here. This is the command. I just use the instructions. So yeah. Now we have to add Docker repository into the system. And once we will add this, we have to update this as well. Because finally we need to download and install this from this particular registry. Okay. So here we have installed Docker engine. First of all, we need to update because we just added new registry. So we need to update our system as well. Now we are going to install system. This is a command which is going to install Docker into the system. It is we downloaded binary and install it. Okay. Now the procedure will remain same. There is same commands, like we need to start and enable. So here I am using new command, sudo systemctl enable dash now docker. So what is actually happening? This one command is going to start the service and also add service into the enable. So it will automatically start after reboot, or if I'm going to power up the system, right? Then now I'm going to verify this status. Let's check it out. The status is ready or not. Yes, it is active, and yeah, I already verified this. You can now check out with the Docker version. So let's give this command, because this is what our testing step, right? Let's verify which version we are going to get here. It is 27.4.1. Previously, it was 26.1.3, right? So why I'm getting new version? Because I just downloaded latest version from the Docker repository and install it over here. So it is always good idea to install latest version, which is I'm getting right now because of the second method. I recommended you to go with the second method if you are going for the production environment. If you are going for the local environment or for testing, you can use any version. No need to worry about this, right? Here I'm just going to add this command, so it will allow my Ubuntu user to run Docker commands. Okay, so now it is ready. So we understood that how we can install a latest version of Docker into the Ubuntu system. This is very straightforward process. You can download all the details from the mind map and then you can install it as well. And it is also available in the Docker documents. Now, we are going to use this particular Docker host new in upcoming days as well, because we are not going to create new Docker host every time. It is a time consuming process, right? Now, if you are using AWS environment, you have T2 micro free for 750 hours per month. If you run your virtual machine for entire month also, it is not going to charge you, because it is going to make total of 720 hours. Okay. So if you will use your virtual machine for entire month, there will be only 720 hours. And AWS is giving us 750 hours. So we don't need to worry about it. But still, what we will do, whenever we will complete all the videos, we'll power up this. Let's say that I don't want to watch next video now. So in this case, you can go to instance stat and you can stop your instance. For example, this is my last video of the day. I don't want to create any other video. So I'm going to click on stop instance. Now tomorrow when I will start creating new video, I will start this machine as well. So I don't need to worry about charges. Now this is my old version, like a repository version. This is useless, right? Because I want only one which is available with the latest version. So right now I'm going to terminate this. Okay. So you guys can also keep this VM as it is. You just need to stop it whenever you are not going to use it, right? Even if you forget to stop, you don't need to worry, because if you have a new account, if your account is eligible for free tier, you have 750 hours per month. So you can now use this virtual machine throughout most of the practicals. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.